Hello everyone! Welcome to your favorite channel, Lakshita and the Caterpillar.
Hi. Hi everyone.
So, I got a beauty castle and the characters in this beauty castle is Elsa and Anna. So, this orange dress, the girl with orange dress is Elsa and the girl with blue dress is Anna.
What is it?
It is a beauty castle.
What castle?
Beauty castle.
Does it have beauty?
Yep. See,
I can't see any beauty in the castle.
see, there's beauty.
Where is? You mean Elsa and Anna?
Yep.
Oh, that's nice.
So from behind, this is how it looks like when you open it, and there's a little girl who is playing with it. So this is for 3+. This beauty castle is for 3+. And
So can I play with it?
if you're 3+,
Am I?
I don't know, cause you're just a caterpillar, and there are no birthdays of caterpillars. Okay,
Oh, then what should I do?
it's all right.
Oh, can I play it then?
Yeah.
Oh, yay! Thank you.
So, and you see, when you press this button, there is light and music, endless fun. So this is that button. So I'll show you how it works. It's not working, but I'll show you how it works. So, Caterpillar, what do you think? Should we open it?
Oh, yes, we should open it.
Okay.
Do you know how to open it?
Yep. Let's
Are
open
you-
it from here.
Okay.
Okay. So here we go.
Should I help? I have 8 legs.
Ah,
Oh, you're very, very strong.
I did it.
That's very nice.
I told it it's a beauty castle. Now I just need to unlock these.
What are these?
These I don't know, but they've kept it. We can search.
Search what?
What is this? We'll search later.
Okay.
So here's our castle.
Oh, that's what it is for. My goodness, this is a real beauty castle.
So look at from behind. It's very beautiful. So this can also open up as a door. And we can also fold it if you want to carry it somewhere. You can also carry it, and it's not that heavy.
This is the real castle, is it?
Yeah. And
So you
these
can
gates
close it.
also open up.
Okay, so you have closed them.
I'll get out the tape.
I think you have to close the castle.
Oh yeah.
That's how you play it.
Yeah. So
Close
now
it.
comes over here. So what do you have to do to open this? You have to get this out.
What is that?
I don't know, but it is just inside.
Oh,
to-
I know. It
What?
stops the battery from draining.
Yeah.
So
Very good.
now if you press the button, it must play it. Yay, I knew it. See, I'm very smart. I'm definitely 3 years old. Nice music. Stop it now. Uh-oh.
I stopped it. I'll just keep it inside back. Now let's open our characters and all the things.
I can't see them.
Here they are.
I can't see them, but I
Okay.
can only see the green one. Hey, you don't listen to me. I can't see them. Yeah, now I can see them pretty well.
help little bit, please, Caterpillar?
Okay, I have to get my egg here.
There you go. Help.
Okay, give it to me. Give me 1 minute, okay?
Okay.
It's stuck, basically.
Stuck?
Yeah.
Open it.
See, I did it for you.
Thanks.
Take it.
Thanks.
See, I told you, I'm serving you like some pants. Do it slowly, okay?
So this is the bathroom. This is the sink and the toilet.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the kitchen.
Mm-hmm. That's good.
This is our character, Anna.
Ah, can you bring it closer? I can't see her. She's very beautiful.
Isn't she? That we're gonna put her right here
Mm-hmm.
on the toilet.
Hey, she will not do. Why is she standing on the basin for?
And this is the sofa. This is the bed.
No, that's not the bed. That's the sofa.
She can sleep on it. This is the refrigerator.
No, that's. Is it?
Yep. Okay, see?
Mm-hmm. Yes, I think so.
And this is
Is it a guitar? No, that's a kitchen.
yeah. And then if that's a kitchen, what is this?
Show me. Oh, that's a vanity set.
Oh, right. I didn't know. This is the dressing table.
Oh yes. Mm-hmm.
And now we got our very own character, Elsa.
Oh, she's so tiny I can't see her. Can you bring her closer?
She's Elsa.
Oh yes. Why is she wearing orange? So there's blue. So she must be Anna. No?
No. I think in this beauty castle they are not Elsa and Anna.
Is it?
Yeah, I don't know who they are.
Hmm.
But Elsa's hair is this color only and Anna's hair is this color only.
Okay, never mind.
Oh, this is a small little chair.
No, that's for the dressing table.
No.
Yes, that's.
Yeah,
it's
this
of the
is one
same
more.
color. Mhm.
And this is a table, dining table.
Mhm.
And oh, now here is the bed.
Mhm.
Here is a bathtub.
Oh, a bathtub. That's really nice.
So we just opened. Now let's play with it. Welcome back. So I'm sorry that I helped Caterpillar to get a hard surface and I got it. So here is the castle. Now let's set it up.
Mhm. Now we have a better place to play it, right?
Yeah. And so the sofa will go in the whole room. This bathtub will go in the bathroom. The sink and everything will come in the bathroom too. Okay? Let's put it like this way. Okay. Okay. I think the bathroom should be here nearby the room. Yeah, there can be the kitchen. So there's dressing table. It should be in the room, but it has no space, so we'll figure it out. And this will come in the kitchen. And here will also come in the kitchen. And then this refrigerator will also come in the kitchen like this. And this bed, you know, obviously it'll come in the bedroom. Keep it there. But it doesn't fit. Let's put the better when you know.
Put a little bit inside, okay?
Huh?
Put a little bit inside, okay?
Here? I can't. It's not. I should try this one.
Can you give it to me?
Yep.
Give it to me.
There you go. Okay, so now we're all set. CP has helped me to put all those things. So now, let's see. So this sofa will come over here. And this dressing table will come beside it.
Okay.
The bed will go right here. So what goes there? Can you guess?
No.
It is the bathroom.
Oh.
CP, I think you've forgotten whatever you've told me. And now, what comes next? The bathtub. And now, let's go to the room. So, for the room, in the room, CP has told me that the dining table should come perfectly. Just wait a second. I'll just fix it up and show you. Okay. Okay. First, we put the chairs. Okay, and then the dining table. Perfect. I'll show you. So here, I kept the dining table.
Is it? That's really nice.
Okay, so now I'll close it. Now what comes over here? Then I'll show you. So over there comes the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. This is the refrigerator. And this is another part of the kitchen that I don't know, but there are some cakes and everything over there. See? Can you see that there? Bye!
Okay, bye.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah, thank you. Subscribe, please. And like.